Now I am going to explain briefly about the components of this CRRT machine. This is syringe pump where we can fix a syringe here with anticoagulation like heparin and give to the bloodline kit to avoid clotting the blood. There's an alarm light where it lights up with three colors. One is green color, other one is the amber color, other one is the red color. When it is in the green color, that in sense in very good level the machine is running. If it is in the amber color, that is warning is coming, machine is running, but there may be warnings. That is why there's an amber color. And after that, later on, very critical, red color is coming. If the red color is there, in the sense this machine is stopped due to critical error message, that is critical for the patient. Then and there, if you can see whether this light is in red color, you have to then and there you have to come and attend to this particular error. Otherwise, the entire line kit will be clotted. Then the touch screen. Touch screen very sensitive. There are icons. When you are touching the icons, it activate and proceeding. Here you have to use somewhere here on your finger, because if you are using this point, because of your fingernail, screen can be damaged. Very may be rare, but it can be happen. Or else if the blood is applied here, when you are touching here with your naked finger without gloves, then that particular blood can come to your hand and it can come to your body. That is very bad. For your health precautions as well as the screen precautions, I am advising you to use somewhere here to touch the screen. Then there are 4 pumps in this machine. This is blood pump, that is in red color. This is waist pump or UF pump. This is right hand upper pump. This is right hand lower pump. In the same way, in the other machines there are another pump called seat rate pump, where we are using seat rate as the anticoagulation. That particular pump should be there. Other than these 4 pumps, there are 4 pressure sensors: venous pressure, arterial pressure, pre-filter pressure and UF pressure. Those are the. Then in the blood lines we are putting segment. Bloodline segment should be put here. That is called 4 segments. Other than that, there's a dialyzer is coming. It's called filter or artificial kidney. There are hemofiltration, only 3 connections, or other filtrations 4 connections are there. Then you have to keep in mind 4 pumps, 4 segments, 4 pressure sensors and 4 connections mainly, right? After that, very important component is there, that is called safety air detector, right? That in sense, if the air bubbles are passing through this machine, this is the last point where the blood is passing from the machine to the patient. If this particular point is passed, there's no any control from the machine to the return blood. Then if any air bubbles is coming, even micro level air bubbles are passing through this particular unit, this particular compound called safety air detector detects that particular micro bubbles and alarm that air in blood return line. At that time, if that kind of critical alarm is there appearing here, that is in the same time this is called venous clamp. Venous clamp clamped and stop the machine with the red light. Then and there you have to attend that, avoid clotting the bloodline kit, entire kit. Then there are 4 pumps. This is red color blood pump. This is waist or UF pump. This is right hand upper pump and right hand lower pump, right? There are 4 pumps. In the other machines, there's another pump is coming here, that is called seat rate pump, where if you are using seat rate as the anticoagulation instead of heparin, we can use that particular pump also, right? That is optional. Then there are 4 pressure sensors. One is venous pressure sensor, arterial pressure sensor, pre-filter pressure sensor and UF pressure sensor. Those are the pressure sensors. Those are in color codings are there, then there won't be any interchangings on the lines. Then the very safety feature is here, that is called safety air detector, right? When there's a bubble catcher here, when the small air bubbles are passing through this, it detects. Even the micro level air bubbles also it detects and pass a message by stopping the entire operation here, telling that ARN blood return line, because this is the last point where the blood will be returned to the patient. If this particular point passes, then there's no any control to the machine. Then if the air bubbles, it detects the air bubbles, what happens is it alarms, in the same time this venous clamps the and stop returning the blood. Right, that's a very big feature to the patient.